made it to the end. Question number 50. It says graph all vertical and horizontal asymptotes of the rational function. In the rational function, f of x equals to 8x minus 7 divided by 2x minus 1. Alright, let's go to the whiteboard. I already have my graph there. So, let's find the vertical asymptote first. To find the vertical asymptote, you're going to take your denominator, set it equal to 0, and solve for x. My denominator in this case is going to be 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 equals to 0. To solve for x, we're going to add 1 to both sides. So 2x equals to 1. To get x by itself, we're dividing both sides by 2. X equals to 1/2. And we're going to graph this line on our rectangular coordinate system. Now remember, when you have an equation in terms of x, and when you graph that, that is going to be a vertical line. A vertical dashed line, by the way. Dashed line through 1/2. So let's go to 1/2. Let's zoom in. 1/2 is between 0 and 1. We're going to draw a dashed line through 1/2. Half is between 0 and 1. Look at the perfection I'm drawing this dotted line. Yeah, I'm messing it up, but still. It's a learning process, feel me? When you do it on Alex, it'll definitely come out a lot straighter than mine did. So that's going to be the dotted line, x equals 1/2. That is your vertical asymptote. Okay. I'm going to highlight that as well so that can definitely stand out. Okay. Now, let's do our horizontal asymptote. And the horizontal asymptote has different premises. Now, consider the definition of a rational function. F of x equals to, and I apologize, you probably don't want to see this, but I'm doing it for mathematical reasons. Specifically, I'm going to shorten it down just a little bit. I guess if you want to, you can skip this part. If you're taking pre-calc or calculus, try to get this into your head. Okay. Now, when it comes to finding the horizontal asymptote, right, you're going to take the leading term of your numerator and the leading term of your denominator. The leading term of my numerator is a to the n, x to the n, a sub n, x to the n power. So y will equal to a to the n, x to the power of n, divided by b sub m times x raised to the m power. Now, here are the rules. If n, which is the degree in your numerator, is greater than the degree in the denominator, there is no horizontal asymptote. I'm going to abbreviate HA. That's number 1. 2, if the degree in the numerator is equal to the degree in the denominator, horizontal asymptote is in the equation y equals to the coefficients a sub n divided by b sub m. Last but not least, which is 3, if your degree in the numerator is smaller than the degree in the denominator, then the horizontal asymptote is y equals to 0. Take those down. That comes for the horizontal asymptote. You must look at the leading term of your numerator and the leading term of your denominator. F of x equals to 8x minus 7 divided by 2x minus 1. The leading term in my numerator is going to be 8x to the first. 8x to the first. And in my denominator, the leading term is going to be 2x to the first power. If you notice, the degrees of the leading terms in my numerator and denominator are equivalent. They're equal. Therefore, my horizontal asymptote in this case, HA, is going to be y equals to 8 divided by 2. Is going to be the coefficients. Is going to be the coefficients of my leading term in the numerator and denominator. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So y equals 4 is the horizontal asymptote. Which means I'm going to go to my graph. And remember, lines in terms of y is going to be a horizontal line. So a horizontal line passing through 4. 4 is up here. Okay. I just completely butchered that. Bam. I like to highlight it as well so it can stand out. That is my horizontal asymptote. And that is how I find my vertical asymptote. Once again, the vertical asymptote is take your denominator of your rational function, set it equal to 0, solve for x, graph the vertical line, which is x equals to 1/2. To find the horizontal asymptote, you're going to take the leading term in your numerator and take the leading term in your denominator and see which one is going to be the horizontal asymptote based on the degrees. In this case, the horizontal asymptote was 4 because here the degree in the numerator is equal to the degree in your denominator. If the degree is bigger on the top, there is no horizontal asymptote. If the degree is bigger on the bottom, then the horizontal asymptote is y equals 0, which is a dashed line on the x-axis. Okay, guys, take care.